Welcome back, my dear students. In the last session, we have finished part 2 of chapter number 11, Mensurations. Today, let us learn part 3 of chapter number 11. Let us remind what we have learned in the last session. In the last session, we have learned the formula of cuboid. Formula number 1, total surface area of cuboid is 2 times of length breadth plus breadth height plus height into length. Lateral surface area of a cuboid or area of 4 walls is 2 times of heights in the bracket L plus B. Now for cube, formula number 3, total surface area of a cube is 6 times of L square. Formula number 4, lateral surface area of a cube is 4 times of L square. Now cylinder, formula number 5, total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r in the bracket r plus heights. Formula number 6, lateral surface area of a cylinder or curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r heights. Now let's remind this formula once more. By using this formula, now let's try to solve exercise 11.3. Question number 1. There are two cuboidal box, this box and this box, as shown in the adjoining figure. In this figure, which box require the lesser amount of material to make? Now we have to find out in these two boxes which one require lesser amount of material to make. That means we have to find out the less surface area. Which one we have to find out have less surface area. Okay, then now let's start solution. Here for this figure A, L is given as 60 centimeters. So L is 60 centimeter and breadth is 40. So breadth is 40 centimeter and height is this 50 centimeter. We know. Now let's find out total surface area of a cuboidal box. So for cuboid, the formula to find out total surface area is this: 2 times of length breadth plus breadth height plus height into length. So we are using that formula: 2 times of length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. 2 times of, here length is 60 and breadth is 40, so 60 into 40 plus breadth into height. Breadth is 40, height is 50, so 40 into 50 plus height into length. Height is 50 and length is 60, so 50 into 60, and unit must be centimeter square. Now next steps. So 2 into 60 into 40 is 6, 4 times is 24, then 2 zeros. Plus sign, 5 4 times is 20, again 2 more zeros. Plus 5 6 times is 30, then 2 more zeros. Centimeter square, this is getting. Is equal to 2 times of into, now let us add together 2400 plus 2000 plus 3000. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7400 centimeter square, this is getting. Now let us multiply by 2. 2 0 times is 0. 2 0 times is 0. 2 4 times is 8. 2 7 times is 14. And unit is centimeter square. So we are getting total surface area of cuboidal box A is 14,800 centimeter square. Now for figure B, length is this 50 centimeter, breadth is this, that also 50 centimeter, and height is 50 centimeter. So length also, breadth also, height also 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter. Now we know. Now the formula to find out total surface area of a cuboidal box is 2 times of length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So 2 times of length is also 50, breadth also 50, height also 50, so 50 into 50, breadth into height is also 50 into 50 plus height into length, that also 50 into 50, unit is centimeters square. 2 into 5 times is 25, 2 more zeros, 5 times 5 is 25, again 2 more zeros, 5 times 5 is 25, again 2 more zeros. Then unit is centimeter square. 2 into 2500 plus 2500 plus 2500, that is 7500 centimeter square. Now this 7500, let us multiply by 2. 2 0 times is 0, 2 0 times is 0, 2 5 times is 10, 2 7 times 14, 15 centimeter square. We are getting this. Now we have to compare this and this. These two numbers, this 14,800 centimeter square is less than that. For this question, we have to find out which box have less surface area. So this 14,800 centimeter square is the total surface area of the cuboidal box, and this have less surface area. We know this 14800 centimeter square is less than this 15,000 centimeter square. Therefore box A require the lesser amount of material to make, and this is the answer. See, भाप तारीको ज्ञान तारनी को अदुदी मथां question तौसी. Next question number 2. Let's see the question. A suitcase with measures 80 centimeter into 40 centimeter into 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of wide 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcase? Here the questions is that there is a suitcase whose length is 80 centimeter, breadth is 48 centimeter, and height is 24 centimeter, and we are going to cover that suitcase with tarpaulin cloths. Now the question is that if there is a tarpaulin whose width is 96 centimeter, and if we want to cover such 100 suitcase, then how many meters of tarpaulin we need, we have to find out. Okay, first let us find out the total surface area of the suitcase. Let's find out total surface area of a suitcase, and the formula to find out the total surface area of a cuboid is 2 times of length into breadth, breadth into height plus height into length. This is the formula to find out total surface area of a cuboid. Now next step, 2 times of length is 80 into breadth is 48 plus breadth is 48, height is 24 plus height is 24, and length is 80, and unit must be centimeter square. 2 into, let's multiply 48 into 80. 8 are 64, 6 carry, 8 for 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38, one more 0, then plus sign. If 48 is multiplied by 24, we are getting 1152. Then plus sign, 24 into 80. 8 4 are 32, 3 carry, 8 are 16, 17, 18, 19. We are getting this, and unit is centimeter square. Is equal to 2 into, if we add together 3840, 1152 plus 1920, we are getting 6,912 centimeter square. Now let us multiply by 2. 2 2 are 4, 2 1 time is 2, 2 9 time is 18, 2 6 time is 12, 13. We are getting this, and unit is centimeter square. Next, therefore total surface area of 100 suitcase. Here the number of suitcase is 100. So total surface area of 100 suitcase is, this is the surface area of one suitcase, and that will be multiplied by 100. So 100 into this area, 13824 centimeters square. If we multiply this, we will get 13824 two zeros centimeters square. Surface area of 1 meter of tarpaulin is equal to, in 1 meter there are 100 centimeter, and in the question it is given that height of the tarpaulin is 96 centimeter. So to find our surface area of 1 meter of tarpaulin, length 1 meter is 100 centimeter, and since height is 96 centimeter, so we have to multiply by 96, and unit is centimeter square. If 196 are multiplied, then we are getting 9600 centimeters square. Hence, the required length of tarpaulin required to cover 100 suitcase is equal to this. 9600 will divide this total surface area of 100 suitcase, this number. So 1382400, and this unit must be in meter. So let us divide 1382400 by 9600, and let us see how much we will get. So let us divide in the sides. So these numbers we are writing here, and let us divide by 9600. Here 1 2 3 4 digits are there, 1 2 3 4. If we compare this 4 digit and this 4 digit, this is bigger, so we will take up to this. So now how many times we can take? Let's see. We can take 1 times 9600. Now let us subtract. If we subtract 4, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, for this is getting 10, this 0 is keeping down. If we want to divide this, we can take 4 times. 4 0 times is 0, 4 0 times is 0, 4 6 times is 24, 4 9 times is 36, 5 7, 38. Let's subtract 0, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3. Next is we have to keep down the 0. Then we have to take 4 times, then we'll get 38400. 38400. Now we are getting this 144 meter, and this is the answer. See, gyan tarani ko. Okay, then let's see now next question. Question number 3 same, so you try this question now. Let's try this question number 4. Let's study the question. Ruxer painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter into 2 meter into 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? This is the cabinet, and Ruxer is going to paint this cabinet, but she did not painted the bottom. And for this cabinet, length is 2 meter, breadth is 1 meter, and height is 1.5 meter. And what we have to find out is how much surface area Ruxer is going to paint it. Now let's find out. Now question number 4 solution. Total surface area to be painted. There will be area of 4 walls plus area of top. This is the top portion. So area of 4 walls plus area of top. The formula to find out area of 4 walls is 2 times of height, length plus breadth. I have given this formula before. Then plus sign. Area of top is, this top portion is rectangle, and this is length and this is breadth. So length into breadth. Length into breadth. So 2 times of height is 1.5, length is 2 meter, 2 plus breadth is 1 meter, plus length is 2 into breadth is 1, and this unit must be meter into meter, that is meter square. If 2 multiply 1.5, that is 3 into 2 plus 1 is again 3, plus 2 one time is 2, and meter square. This is multiply, this is plus. We have to do multiply first. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2, and this is meter square. If we add together 9 plus 2 is 11 meter square. And this is the answer. See, gyan tare ko. Okay, then let us see next question. Now let's write this question 7. Let's study the question first. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made of a sheet of metal. Let us suppose that this is the closed cylindrical tank. Here radius r is 7 meter and height is 3 meter. And this is made up of a sheet of metal. Now the question is how much sheet of metal is required. Now we have to find out how much sheet is required to make this tank. Now solution. Here radius r is 7 meter and height is 3 meter. We know total surface area of a cylindrical tank. Its formula is 2 times of pi r in the bracket r plus height. Now 2 into pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 7 plus height is 3. Then 7 are cancelled. 2 into 22, if we add together 7 plus 3, that is 10, and unit is meter square. 2 into 22 is 44, 44 into 10 is 440 meters square. Hence the required metal sheet is 440 meters square. Here this is the answer. See, gyan tare ko. Question number 8, 9 di manare aduna 10 tausi. Now let's try question number 10. This is good. Now let's try question number 9. This is question number 9. A roller takes 750 complete revolution to move once over to level a rod. Find the area of the rod if the diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and length is 1 meter. Let us suppose that this is the roller and it is given that diameter of the roller is 84 centimeter. This is diameter. And length is 1 meter. Length means height of the cylinder. So height is 1 meter. Now to level a rod, this roller make 750 complete revolution. Now we have to find out total area of the rods. So to find out the total area of the rod, first we have to find out curved surface area of this roller. After finding the curved surface area of this roller, we have to multiply by this number of complete revolution, and that will give the area of the rods. Now solution. Now solution. Here diameter D is 84 centimeter, and 84 centimeter let us convert into meter. If this 84 is divided by 100, then we'll get 0.84 meter. Now this is meter. Therefore radius is diameter by 2, so 0.84 divided by 2 meter. If 0.84 is divided by 2, then we are getting 0.42 meter. Now height is 1 meter. We know curved surface area of the roller, its formula is 2 pi r height. Then 2 into pi is 22 by 7. R is here 0.42 and height is 1 meter into meter is meter square. Now 7 can divide this. 0.0 7 6 times is 42. We will get this 0.06. Now let us multiply this. If we multiply 2 into 22 into 0.06, we are getting this 2.64. Therefore, area leveled by the roller in one revolution is equal to this area will come 2.64 meters square. So area leveled by the roller in here it is given the 750 complete revolution. So in 750 revolution is equal to this 750 will multiply this 2.64 meters square. If we multiply these two, we are getting 1980 meters square. Hence, the required area of the road is equal to 1980 meters square, and this is the answer. See, bhab tari ko yarni ko. Question number 10 is same, so you try this at home. Now let's learn these formulas. Formula number 1, volume of a cube. This shape is a cube, and from here up to there is length, from here up to there also same length L, from here up to there also same length L. So volume of a cube will be L into L into L. So L into L into L, or if L into L into L, if we multiply, then L to the power 3. This is the formula to find out volume of a cube. Now volume of a cuboid. In cuboid, from here up to there is length, from here up to this is breadth, and from here up to there is height. So length into breadth into height is the formula to find out volume of a cuboid. Now volume of a cylinder. This is a cylinder. From here up to there is height, and from here up to there is radius. Now the formula to find out volume of a cylinder is pi r square and heights, and we need to by heart this, and after learning this we can try next exercise. Exercise 11.4. Question number 1. Given a cylindrical tank, in which situation will you find surface area, in which situation volume? Question number A. To find how much it can hold. B. Number of cement bags required to plaster it. Number C. To find the number of smaller tank that can be filled with water from it. Here the question says like this. There is a cylindrical tank, and in which situation A, B, C, what is to find out surface area or volume? Now let's try this. A. To find how much it can hold. In this case we have to find out volume. B. Number of cement bags required to plaster it. In this case we have to find out the surface area of the cylindrical tank. Number C. To find the number of smaller tank that can be filled with water from it. In this case also we have to find out volume of the cylindrical tank. So in the case of A, we have to find out how much it can hold. That is, we need volume. Volume is to find out. Now B. In this B, we have to find out number of cement bags required to plaster it. In this case, we have to find out surface area. Surface area. Now number C. In question number C, to find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with water from it. In this case, we need to find out volume. See, then let's try next question. Let's try question number 3. Find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeters square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. Now let's try this question number 3. Question number 3 is solution. Here volume of the cuboid is given as this 900 centimeter cube. Area of the base is 180 centimeters square. So 180 centimeters square. Now we have to use this formula. Volume of a cuboid is equal to area of base into height. Here area of base is this 180 centimeters square, and this will be multiplied by height. And this volume of the cuboid is given as this 900 centimeter cube. Next step is to find out this height. This 180 centimeter square we have to transpose to the other side, and this 90 centimeter cube we have to divide by 180. 180 centimeter square, and in the numerator 900 centimeter cube. If 900 is divided by 180, we'll get 5 times 5. And centimeter cube and centimeter square cancel, then we'll get centimeter, and this is height. Therefore, height is equal to 5 centimeter, and this is the answer. Si gyan tare ko khangani ko. Next, let's try question number 4. Let's study the question. A cuboid is of dimensions 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter, 30 centimeter. How many small cubes with size 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? Here the question is that there is a cuboid and its dimensions are 60 centimeters. 60 centimeter is length, 54 centimeter is breadth, 30 centimeter is height. And inside this cuboid we are going to give a smaller cubes, and this cube is of size 6 centimeter. In cube, length, breadth, height are equal. All are 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. And we have to find out how many this type of smaller cubes we can keep inside this cuboid. Okay, now let's try to find out. Now solution. First, let us find out volume of the cuboid. The formula to find out volume of the cuboid is length into breadth into height. Length is 60 centimeter, and breadth is 54 centimeter, and height is 30 centimeter. If we multiply 60 centimeter and 54 centimeter and 30 centimeter, we'll get 97200 centimeter into centimeter into centimeter is centimeter cube. This is getting. Next is we have to find out volume of a cube. The formula to find out volume of a cube is length into length into length. Here length of a side is 6 centimeter, so 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter. And 6 into 6 is 36, 36 into 6 is 216. Centimeter into centimeter into centimeter is centimeter cube. Therefore, the required number of small cubes is equal to volume of the cuboid divided by volume of a cube. Volume of the cuboid is this. So 97200 centimeter cube, and volume of the cube is this 216 centimeter cube. Now let us cancel these numbers. Let us divide by 9. 9 2 times is 18, 19, 20, 21, 9 4 are 36. Let's divide by 9. 9 1 time is 9, then 0, 9. 8 times is 72, then 0, 0. Then 24 and 1080. Let us divide these two. First, let's take 4 times. 4 4 are 16, 9, 96. If we subtract 6, 7, 8, then 0 is here, then 5 times. 5 4 times is 20, it will be 12, then 0, 24 can we divide, so 0. So we are getting 450. centimeter cube are cancel, so we are getting 450, and this is the answer, and this is number of cubes. See, bhab tarni ko yarani ko. Okay, then let's try next question. Question number 5 is same, so you try this question. Now let's try question number 6. A milk tank is in the form of a cylindrical cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and length is 7 meter. Find the quantity of milk in liter that can be stored in the tank. Now let's try this. Question number 5. This is the question. A milk tank is in the form of a cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and length is 7 meter. Find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. Let us suppose this is the tank, and this tank is in the form of a cylinder. From here up to that is length of the cylinder, and that is given as 7 meter, and radius of this cylindrical tank is given as 1.5 meter. Now solution. Here radius of the cylindrical tank is this 1.5 meter, and this is height is 7 meter. Next is we know the volume of the cylinder. The formula to find out volume of a cylinder is pi r square height. So pi r square height. Phi value is 22 by 7. Radius is 1.5 meter square into height is 7 meter. This 7 and this 7 are cancelled. 22 into 1.5 square is 25 to 1 time is 2, so we will get this, and meter square into meter is meter cube. If we multiply this, we are getting 49.5 meter cube is getting. Here the question says that find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. So we have to find out the quantity of milk in liter. So this meter cube we have to convert into liter. In 1 meter there are 1000 liters. So therefore 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Then this is meter cube, and 49.5, to convert this into liter we need to multiply by 1000, and this is now liters. If we multiply these two, then we are getting 495, 1, 2, 3. This decimal point is 1 decimal place, so it will come here. So this is liters. Hence, the required quantity of milk in liters is equal to this. 49500.0 have no value, leave 0.0, so liters, and this is the answer. See, question number 7 is same, so you try this question number 7. And now let's try question number 8. Question number 8. Let's study the question. Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. If the volume of reservoir is 108 meter cube, find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. Now let's try this question. So this is the question. Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir. Let us suppose that this is the cuboidal reservoir and water is pouring inside by using a pipe, and the water is pouring in this tank at the rate of 60 liter per minute. If the volume of reservoir is 108 meter cube, now the volume of this reservoir is 108 meter cube. This. Find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. Now we have to find out time taken by this pipe to fill this reservoir. That means we have to find out time. That means number of hours to fill the reservoir is to find out. Now solution. Volume of the cuboidal reservoir that is given as 108 meter cube, and we know 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Next is, therefore volume of the reservoir is equal to 108, and converting into liter multiplying by 1000. If we multiply, we are getting 108,000 liters. In the question it is given that rate of pouring water is 60 liter per minute. So it is given that amount of water poured in 1 minute is 60 liter. So 60 liter. So amount of water to be poured in 1 hour. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So this 60 will multiply the amount of water poured in 1 minute. That is 60 liters. So 60 into 60 liters. If we multiply, then 6 times 6 is 36. Then 2 more zeros. So 3600 liters. This is getting. Therefore, the number of hours it will take to fill. So this is the capacity of the reservoir, 108,000, and an amount of water to be poured in 1 hour is this. So this will divide, and this will be now hours. So if this number is divided by this, then we will get 3. If we divide this, then 30 is getting. So 30 hours is getting. 30 hours. Hence, the required number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir is 30 hours. 30 hours. And this is the answer. See, here, exercise 11 mensuration is over. In the next session, we'll learn chapter number 12, exponents and power. Okay, for today, all of you, thank you.